As teacher migration hits crisis levels, educational planning expert Professor Canute Thompson is citing a recent study that runs counter to initial claims made by the government about the state of education in Jamaica. Adrian Williams reports.
At the heart of a nation's education system, one will find teachers responsible for imparting knowledge and preparing students for the world of work. But with so many trained yearly and of those a significant number migrating, Director of the Caribbean Center for Educational Planning, CCEP, Professor Canute Thompson, says there is a cause for concern based on a teacher migration study he conducted back in 2022.
We have raised this matter at this point to highlight the depth of the crisis. There has been an intensification of migration, and it poses a problem, a challenge for our education system.
Of 157 teachers surveyed for the study, 45.9% had left the Jamaican classroom and are working overseas, while some 41.4% were seriously contemplating migration.
We're having this conversation now because the government of Jamaica has signaled for the first time that it is seeking to recruit teachers from overseas. They're targeting Ghana, Nigeria, India, and the Philippines, which incidentally are 4 of the countries that North America and the UK also target, particularly India and the Philippines.
The study identified several root causes for the mass movement of teaching professionals.
We found 4 major factors. 1, low salaries. 2, lack of resources. 3, working conditions. And 4, leadership.
One key factor the research highlights is separate from complaints about low wages. Teachers are pushed to migrate due to lack of resources in Jamaica.
The least resource school in North Carolina or New York is better resourced than the best resource school in Jamaica.
President of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Leighton Johnson, agrees that there is a crisis.
We are at a state of crisis, and we want the Ministry of Education and the nation to understand that there is the need for us to deal with this systemic issue in order to save our country at this time.
Adrian Williams for CVM News.